Hi, welcome back to Winter Break Crafts. My name is Haley and I'm the children's specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. For day 2, we are going to be making thank you cards, Sprouts edition. You will need colored paper for the background, black colored paper for the hat, glue, scissors, 3 cotton rounds for your snowman, some cotton balls for snow, and some other decorations. In this bag that we provide you, we have sequins, snowflakes, googly eyes, and a pom-pom, and a black marker, and anything else you want to decorate your snowman and your card with. All right, let's get started. So the first step is to take your colored paper and fold it in half. We're gonna fold it hamburger style like this, and your card can face up like this. Don't turn it this way because then your cotton rounds won't fit. So keep it this way, and we're gonna glue our cotton rounds down. So make some circles with the glue where you want your snowman to go. My snowman's gonna go up front here. And I'm gonna take my cotton rounds and glue them down. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. All right, so I've got my snowman there. And next we're gonna decorate him. So I'm gonna take my black colored paper and I'm going to cut out a hat. You can take a pencil if you need to draw your hat. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna draw a hat out for him like this. And then I'm going to cut that out. You can also just try it yourself without drawing it out beforehand, but I like to have something to follow when I cut my decorations out. It's totally up to you. All right. There's his hat. I'm gonna flip it over so you can't see those pencil marks. And then I'm gonna take my snowman and add some glue here and on the cotton round. Careful, the cotton gets stuck to the glue pretty quickly. All right, so now we've got our snowman. He's got his little hat. I'm gonna decorate him. So, gonna take out these decorations here. I've got some sequins and some googly eyes. All right. So add a little bit of glue to the decorations, not to the cotton rounds because your glue will get covered in cotton. So add a little bit of glue to the decorations. I'm gonna add 3 little buttons here with my sequins. So there's 1, 2, oop, and 3. Now I've got those buttons on. I'm going to put the eyes on next. So again, apply the glue to the decorations, not to the cotton rounds, or it'll get stuck. So there's 1 eye. There's the other eye. All right, give him a little funky nose here. There's his silly nose. I'm going to save these for around my snowman. They're not going to go on him. So I'm going to make it look like it's snowing here with these little snowflakes. So I've got a couple here and a couple there. All right, glue those down. Gonna give him a face before I add the snow at the bottom with the cotton balls. Put that glue off to the side and put a cap on it. There we go. He's got a smile. And now the last part. Now remember, the cotton sticks to the glue. So if you need to glue any more cotton rounds down a little bit better, you can add glue there. That's what I'm gonna do with this one. And then to add snow to the bottom with your cotton balls, add glue first to the card. Don't add it to the cotton balls, add it to the card. So I'm going to add some glue there. And then I'm going to take my cotton balls and I'm going to pull them apart. Make it look more like snow. So pull them apart as best as you can. Got part of it there. I'll glue that down. Pass it into the glue that you put there. And take the other cotton ball and do the same thing. So stretch it out like this. All right. We're going to glue that down. All right, there's our snowman in the snow. Let's add some arms here before we finish up. I'm going to use brown, but you can use any color you want. I'm going to have him waving at us. So there he is, Mr. Snowman. All right, there's my snowman saying hello. Now remember, this is a thank you card. So once everything is glued, make sure it's all stuck there. Be very careful. You're gonna open it up and write your thank you note here. So make sure this is all glued down and then write your thank you note on the inside. So I'm gonna choose a different color. I'm going to use black. So, dear, and then whoever you're writing the thank you note to, thank you so much for whatever you're thanking them for. I'm going to say love and then put your name. You can say sincerely, thank you again, whatever you want to put here. So I'm going to say, dear Cat, thank you so much for the Christmas cookies. Love, Haley. Miss Haley. Make sure this says Miss Cat. All right, dear Miss Cat, thank you so much for the Christmas cookies. Love, Miss Haley. All right, and there's our thank you card. Nice job. All right, I hope you had as much fun as I did making your cute little snowman thank you card. Make sure to pass that off to the person you wrote the thank you card for. Also, hit subscribe here on YouTube and tune in tomorrow for our next winter break craft with Miss Cat. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIV. All right, happy winter break and happy crafting. Bye.